This is the only theme I have ever seen in my life with this facility. That is why this theme is that much of important to your Android car stereo.
This is a car stereo system running on the Android 14 operating system. Here you can see the 4G antenna connector, and this one is the GPS connector. Over here is the power harness along with several other connectors. The device comes with a large 9-inch display, but today's video is not really about the car stereo itself. Instead, it's about a special theme installed on this system. First, we need to power on the device externally. Let's set up the power supply. It's better to keep the voltage at 12 volts with at least 1 ampere. As you know, we need to connect the battery wire and the accessory wire together and supply 12 volts. The black wire goes to ground. Now let's power on the device. Once the system boots up, you can access all the apps available in the car stereo. In this device, there is a default App Store section. If we open it, you can see many themes available to install. I am going to install one of these themes. To do that, we need an internet connection. So I will connect the reverse camera connector, because that connector also includes the Wi-Fi antenna. Now let's connect to Wi-Fi. Since Wi-Fi is connected, I'll download a few more themes. After the download is complete, you can apply the theme. Most of these themes are quite similar. Usually only the colors or layout positions change, but this theme is different from the others. It has a special feature, and that's what makes it unique. Let me show you, after installing the theme. Okay, at first glance you might think it looks like the other themes, but actually, it's not. Here you can see a section with Google Maps, and in the bottom right corner, there is a small arrow. Using this arrow, you can add apps to this window. For example, when you are watching YouTube, normally you cannot go back to the home screen without closing the app. But with this theme, you can add YouTube to the front screen like this. This allows you to continue using YouTube while doing other activities. You can also add Google Maps or even a USB dash camera. If you have a USB dash camera connected, you can place it here and watch the live video directly from the dash cam. In addition, you can add your favorite apps here for quick access. That's why I said earlier that this theme is very special. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Be innovative and stay with SetNFix.